Hello students, let us see this problem from CSIR NAT 2020. Question number is 39. So this problem is from digital electronics. So they have given you 3-bit register whose initial state is given by Q3, Q2, Q1. Your Q3 is your MSB while your Q1 is LSB is given. So the initial state, Q3, Q2, Q1 is given as 0, 0, 0. Now in the question they're asking what will be the output, okay, Q3, Q2, Q1 after the arrival of second falling edge of the clock. Okay, so let us see. So you have a clock. Okay, so this is your first clock, first pulse. This is your second pulse. Okay, so say this is first, this is the falling edge, this is the falling edge. So transition will take at the falling edge of the clock. Okay, now in the beginning you will see the input of your D1 flip-flop is 1. So whenever the input of D flip-flop is 1, it will make the output in a set state. Okay, so initially, so this is your clock. So initially your Q1 is 0. Okay, so when first falling edge of the clock comes, okay, because the input, it sees the input as a 1, so it get transit to the set state. So this become 1. Okay, and after that it remains 1 because this input 1 will keep this Q1 always 1. Okay, now I see what happens to the Q2. Okay, so Q2 initially is 0. Okay, and because all the clocks are synchronized. Okay, so in this point it will take transition. So before that we'll see what is the input of Q2. So input of Q2 is Q1, which is 0. Okay, so it will remain in reset state, so it will be remain 0. Okay, now it here again it will take transition. So here it will see the input of Q2 is 1, so this will make Q2 also in set state and this become 1. Okay, let us see what happens to the Q3. So Q3 is 0. Okay, here the input of Q3 is 0, so it remains 0. Okay, and before the arrival of second pulse, the input again input of Q3 is again 0, so it remain in set state. Okay, so after the second pulse, okay, your Q1 is 1, Q2 is 1, and Q3 is 0. Okay, Q3 is 0. So your output will be 0, 1, 1. Okay, and this is given as option C, and option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.